Welcome back to Ace Hardware Paradise. Today I'm with my good buddy
Cayson. This is my 76 Ford F-150 short bed. Super rare. Probably won't find another one. Probably won't find another one that's in this condition.
Today I'm going to be showcasing this truck and talking about some of the potential plans for this pickup truck right here. It's a fun, cool, unique truck. Without wasting any more time, let's get to checking out this truck right here.
Alright, well, so this came with it, bull horns. It's kind of cool. I'm going to keep that on for the future and everything. I'm going to take this off, the bull guard.
I mean, it could be useful though.
Could be useful. And then this 240 or 260 inline six. Definitely going to change it to a V8 302. Or something along that line, cammed, everything.
The works, the fun stuff, performance parts with like Edelbrock or Jags or anything like that.
Yeah. 300K or 279K on the engine. Most diesel owners have more than 300K on their clapped out rigs, so
yep.
So I have the upper hand with that.
It's one classic clapped out Ford.
I have owned this for about 4 years. My papa owned it when it was just 5 years old, and then my papa sold it to his cousin that drove it for around 50 years, and then sold it. And then my dad found it on Facebook Marketplace and bought it back. A lot of rust on it. Pretty junky.
Yeah, rust is nature's weight reduction, right, Cayson?
Yeah.
I mean, you got your nice, like, old school Ford hubcaps on it.
The factory hubcaps, all original. Everything underneath is all original. This used to be a 390 in it, and the 390 blew, I think, head gaskets or something like that, and my second cousin just put an inline six into it, and still has the original motor from when he, well, not original, the
second motor for it, right?
Yeah, same motor. This truck had 5 cabs swapped onto it already. I'm looking for another cab because there's a lot of rust on it, rust in there, and rust on the cab corners and floors. And
yeah, it needs some TLC. Like, if any of you guys have like a cab front clip, like, give me a shout on Facebook or like him or whatever, or because he's desperately looking for a donor cab and front clip, even a short box for this. So
short box would be the most thing that I'm looking for right now, since it's so rare to find a short box.
Like, would you even settle for a step side box?
I would settle for a step side box, but I'm really leaning towards original box. If I really have to, I would definitely take this flatbed out and put another flatbed if I couldn't find any for a good price.
Like something that's like more modern of a flatbed that kind of fits the aesthetic better than the wood box.
Yeah. And then here's the interior. Original radio, 4-speed manual. That's the original 4-speed in it. And then 4-wheel drive.
Yeah. Well, I think it might be best if I head on into the other side to really show them the transmission and the 4-wheel drive. There we go. So as we hop into the interior on the old Ford here, if I can climb in here, you got your 4-speed manual transmission. Kind of go through a little bit of the gears here for most of you guys. The seat does need to be replaced, as you said. Like, where I'm sitting is worse.
Yeah, there's a spring showing on that driver's side. I would love to get another seat. This is the original radio in it, and it sounds terrible. It sounds like an old, what's it called? Hockey imitator or
Yeah.
hockey commentator. But yeah, it's basically everything else. Everything underneath is all original.
Let's just show that seat here a moment. Yeah, that's what Cayson's working with. It's a little bit better than what is in my truck, if you guys know my truck. That's why he's got this old jacket that sits over it. It's got a headliner. That's one of the better things about this truck. But
And a 3-piece window.
that's what a factory option between the regular glass and 3-piece rear window.
Okay. Muffler fell off of this thing, so it's this inline 6
straight pipe.
straight pipe. It sounds like an old tractor going down the road. I am gonna send videos to Eddie and
I can put them in there. And you got your factory bumper, your tail lights, which are really cool and unique on this one.
I have the original license plate for it that I'm gonna put on the front.
As a vanity plate, right?
Yep, as a vanity plate.
You do have some stuff you need, like your spare tire, old batteries.
Yeah, these old batteries don't work anymore. Currently this truck does not run.
That's the sad part, but there might be a future video where I help Cayson here get this old truck running, right?
Yeah, it needs a new starter. It'll need a new ignition. It'll need a new distributor, so it can get back to running.
What's the particular color you want to paint this truck, Cayson?
Either a cherry red, like the original color, or it's going to be one of the fancier colors that have like that sunshade on the side. I have a picture of it when it was 5 years old. I'll probably go grab that and I can show you.
Yeah.
Anyways, it's pretty clapped.
Yeah, I can say that because I own a clapped truck as well.
There's a shock that's laying down on the frame there.
That needs to, this needs all brand new suspension.
There is 3 different sets of tires on this thing. Front ones all have white walls, and then the back ones have different, it's a different company on both sides. Front locking hubs, 4-wheel drive. Good truck.
Just needs some love, some tender love and care, and probably a whole restoration, maybe on the channel, maybe with my help helping you get a donor cab, front clip.
It probably will be 20 grand that I have to dump into this to get it worth something. But right now, my plan, well, kind of my plan is I want to get it all running and roadworthy so I can drive it on the road. Basically, yeah, it needs parking brake, I think a muffler on it, definitely, and a few other engine pieces to get it all running and driving on the road.
So that was a pretty fun episode to check out Cayson's old Ford pickup truck. You know, if you guys want to see more of this truck, my buddy Cayson, you know, as we said, we might for a plan to get this up and running, possibly on the channel, help him out with it in the future.
Yep.
If you guys like this episode, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time for what other vehicle I'll potentially check out next here on Eddie's Hot Rod Repair.